Today, I'm going to show you how to open one of these with one of these right now on there it is. Well, I'll be honest with you. I would not have believed that unless I saw it with my own two eyes. I mean, I saw people online that are making copies of keys and stuff like that, but why? Just use a freaking soda can and whatever. It's so easy. Thanks again for stopping by. Remember, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up and yeah, subscribe because it helps. And you can do that down here in the corner. You see that little thing in the screen? You can click that and it'll subscribe. Hit the bell and you'll receive alerts every time we upload a video. Remember to follow us on Instagram. You can find us right up here. And tell your friends, share the videos. Everybody should know how to open up a lock without a key. I mean, that's just common sense. And theft. So I should end this video before I get in trouble. So, did I turn the mic on? I did. Good for me. I am sweating more than Urban Meyer at a press conference right now.